Hi, good morning, everyone. We can start the session because we're just going to have a feedback of the essays again today. In Biomed B section, 12 of you have submitted. The rest who haven't submitted, please do it today. Uh, Anyone from B section who needs grading? Is Manjari there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The others who have already got their essays graded need not worry. Just have a look at the essays that your friends have done, and you'll get an idea on what mistakes they make and how to make them better, since how to correct those mistakes. Okay. Wherever word has underlined, it means that there is a grammatical error. So here it may not look like a grammatical error, but word has underlined. The problem over here is after a full stop, you need to give a space. Okay. That's because in even in the software that you're going to use while you write your essay, if you do not give a space after full stop, these two words will be taken as one word. If you get it, yeah. So that's why after a full stop or a comma, you need to give a space. Is this fully written by you? Okay, seems pretty good. It's pretty nice. Essay is pretty nice. I can give 9 on 10 for that. Meghala, are you there? Okay. Please mute your TV, Meghala. Facebook, Twitter, all these are proper nouns, so you need to capitalize. You need to have a capital F, capital T. Okay. The has to be capitalized. Oversharing has two R's. Maybe a typo error, but you need to change that. Okay, otherwise the essay seems to be pretty good. If you have written everything on your own, then it's pretty nice. I can give 9 on 10 for that. How about Monica? Are you there? Monica? Okay. You have used font size 28. Why? There's something wrong here. It helps greatly in education. I don't know why a full stop and you've started a new sentence. Maybe I think it just continues, right? Helps greatly in education field. Okay. Is this fully written by you again, or some sentences copied from the internet? Hello? Okay. Here you need to put a space after followers, full stop, and then space. There is no space between finally and WhatsApp, so space needs to be there. Even after these commas, you need to have a space. Okay, here and here. You haven't given any space after commas. You need to give. Otherwise, it's fine. No problem. Nice essay. Okay, next, Pavitra. Are you there? Pavitra S. How many words is this? It's in PDF, so I can't check. Okay, okay. But the actual software won't let you write more than 300. So just for your information. Social media need not be capitalized. It's a common noun. Social. After for example, you need to put a comma, and then an incident should be there. A pregnant elephant. You need to use articles. Okay. But then suddenly you have finished off the essay without a conclusion. Can you see that? After this example, you have abruptly finished the essay. So you need to write a conclusion. Okay. And see, the example itself is so long. So you can probably cut down on the example. Any example should be short and sweet. Okay. Maximum, say, two sentences or so. This is too long. Okay. Otherwise, the essay is pretty good. Nicely done. Nice example. Pretty good. I can give you full marks for this. Okay. Pavitra Ramesh, are you there? Okay. How many words is this? Okay. Nice. If this is fully written by you, then it's perfect. Nice. Okay. Next, Priyadarshini, are you there? Okay. Nice. Have you written everything on your own? Good. Pretty good essay. No problem at all. Nice. Okay. Next, I don't know. For Rupavati, it says submitted. Is Rupavati there? Hello, Rupavati. Not there. What about Saranya? Sherlin? Are you there? No. Sneha? Sonika? Sonika. Okay. Okay. 252 words, not enough. You need to write a little more. What is this? SILY? Oh, nice. Essay is pretty good. Only thing is, you must have written a little more. Okay. Be careful about word limit. Minimum, see, for a 300 word essay, you need to write at least 290 to 300 words. That only then it satisfies the requirement. Okay. Next, is Srikant there? Srikant? Oh, 540 words. Why, man, so much? Too much. Okay, bring it down to 300. And on top of that, please do not use any headings like this for any paragraph. Okay, I do not want headings like this at all. Essays do not have headings, they have only paragraphs. And when you start a paragraph, for example, over here, you have started right from here. So use an indent, I mean, use a tab, give some space before you start like this. Okay, so this all looks like it's copied from the net. You mean to say you wrote 540 words on your own? Oh, it's too much, so, but otherwise the essay is fine. So just bring down the word limit. Bring down the words, number of words. Okay, fine. Anyone else from B section who needs grading? Uh, yeah, only 10. Okay, anyone else from B section who needs grading? Rupavati, Saranya, Sherlin. Okay, so we'll go to A section. Is Anisa Begum there? Okay, space required here. After commas and full stop, please give a space. For example, here and here. Nice, pretty good. Is it all written by you? Good, nice essay. Fine. Okay. What about Gomati? Are you there? Okay. Space here. Skype needs to be capitalized. After a comma, you need not have a capital if. It's only small if. Suddenly over here, awareness is capitalized. Wrong. Marketing is not a proper noun. You need to have a small m. Interaction, small I. Be careful about your capitals. Okay. And space after full stop. Cyber bullying. Suddenly you put a capital B. I don't know why. It's not bullying, it's bullying. Bully. Okay. That's all. Otherwise, essay is pretty good, nice, except for capitals and space after full stop and commas. So nice. Otherwise, the essay is good. Okay, next, Gopi Krishna. He's not there. You're there. Okay. No, what is this? Hari Priya. Why did they give only 10 marks? Must be 100. Okay, Gopi Krishna. This is 215 words. Huh? It's too short. Where is the paragraphs? Where are the paragraphs? Hmm. But you need to separate in paragraphs, okay? Yeah, introduction, body, conclusion. Minimum 3 paragraphs should be there. And you have to write around 300 words. Okay, 215 is too less. Uh, do not start a sentence with and, okay? Or are you continuing this sentence with etc., is it? Or is it a separate sentence? No, I'm asking you. I'm asking you whether you wanted to continue this sentence with and or you started a new sentence with and. Oh, here. Okay, so don't do that. You can use also and put a comma, okay? Or you can use additionally, furthermore. These are all good words, okay? And over here, after things, you need to put a comma before etc. Okay. Again, all these because and Google needs to be capitalized. It may be because you typed on the phone, but uh, here suddenly capital war is there. Very few silly mistakes, all typo errors. So please be careful when you actually type in the essay in the software. Otherwise, it's pretty nice. Words, number of words need to be more. So I can just give you an 8 on 10 for that. Okay. Right. This also I don't know. Anyone else needs grading? Kritika B. Okay. 427 words. Too much, man. 300 was enough. This is all written by you. Okay. Sentences, structure, everything seems to be good, but it's too long. That's the problem. Otherwise, the essay is fine. Okay. Kritika S. T25, 25 words extra. Bring it down. Nice. Essay is pretty good, except a few extra words here and there, but otherwise it's fine. Good. Anybody else from A section needs grading? Anyone else who just joined needs grading? A section or B section? Have you submitted and you need grading for the essay? No? Okay. I want to tell you one thing. The number of submissions is still pretty less. So this report goes this weekend to the placement department. So I want you guys to submit. Okay. A section only 19 out of 28 have submitted. Uh, B section only 12 out of 28 have submitted. Are you guys facing any problem in uploading the essay? Can anyone speak? No problem. Only problem is writing the essay. Okay, then the rest of you who haven't submitted, please submit today. Okay. Even the next class that we have, we'll have the same session. That is, I want to finish grading everything. This is really important because this is personal feedback on your essay. And please do not copy from the internet. Write on your own. Try to utilize this session for your benefit. Okay. Okay, then I'll just take your attendance and we'll wind up with this session. Okay. Okay, so just tell me, I'm calling in roll number order only. Aditya, Ashika, Abhilash, Abhinaya, Abita. Okay. Anisa, Anjali, Akshay Anjali, Katharina, Gausalya, Christy Joseph, Deepika, Divya, Gayatri, Gomati, Gopi Krishna, Kaushik, Haripriya, Jai Surya, Janani, Janaranjani, not there. Karthik, Harimalar, Khatija, Kavita, Karunya, Kritika, S. Kritika, Magesh, Mahalakshmi, Manjuri, Megla, Monica, Pawan Kumar, Pavitra R, 36, 37. Okay. 38, Pavitra. Hmm. Okay. What happened when I called out your name? Praveen Kumar, Praveen Raj, Priyadarshini, Priyanka, Ravi Bharti, Priyanka there. Huh? Okay. Ravi Bharti. Okay. Riya Shamat, Rupavati, Sabri Velan, Sadan Sheikh Khan, Shakti Dasan, Sharda, Saranya, Saravanan, Satish Kumar, Sherlin, Shirin Fatima, Sneha, Sonika, Saundarya, Shrikant, Vignesh, not there. Okay, fine. So that's all for today. Please submit the essay by end of day. Okay. So that's it. We'll wind up with this session. Thanks and have a good day. Okay. All right.